Hi, we're back in the basement with a day 5 update from planting my seeds. And I wanted to give everyone a close-up of what has done well so far. So come up here, we've got here tomatillo, cantaloupe, and you can see here how beautiful these roots are coming out of the bottom. This has been my prize plant. This is my edamame bean, broccoli. These are both arugula, basil, these are tropicana, and these 4 are my mixed lettuce varieties. I have this tray off of the heat mat because they don't need it anymore. They just require light. Today is the first day I added some nutrients to my tap water. And so I wanted to tell you all how I did that. So in the AeroSpring system comes 2 bags of A and B nutrients. I emptied both of those bags into their respective 1-liter containers and added tap water to that. Based on the formulary, all I did to get some water to add to this tray here is I took a 1-liter container. I added tap water to it, and I added about a little under a half a teaspoon of both A and B to that water. Stirred it real well, and I measured the EC with my EC meter here. Super easy to do. You just put it down in your water for a few seconds and it measures what the EC is. I was at a 1.0, which I think is great for right now. I've read that you want to have this about half of the concentration that you need in your AeroSpring system. So I'm happy with that. Unfortunately, this is the first time I checked my regular tap water's pH. It is too basic for what we really need. You really want your nutrient water to be at a 5.5 to 6.5 pH. So I just ordered some pH up and pH down online. And so I'll get that in the next couple of days and then add more appropriate pH balanced water to this tray here. My other tray I still have on the heat mat, and some of them have sprouted just today. My bell pepper sprouted, and I still have a ways to go, but I'm only day 5, so I'm actually quite surprised that all of this has sprouted so well. So we're gonna keep going with this at the same exact settings with the heat mat on, the light on. I'm keeping the light on for 24/7 for these plants right now, but I think probably by the end of this coming week, I think all of these plants I'm going to be able to plant in my AeroSpring system. So stay tuned for that with an update in a few days.